Alright, and then multiply, all you're going to use is distributive property, but the one thing I want to point out about multiplying, how could I multiply these two polynomials? What would I have to use? FOIL. Tell me how you know when to use the FOIL method. Yes, or two binomials. I get what you're saying. So don't forget with that you have to FOIL. Everything else is good to go. We're going to do a few together, a few on your own. So the first one, number 1, we're adding it, which means we're combining like terms. So, another thing, you have to write them in order. When I mean in order, like the ones that you need to go first are the ones with the highest exponent. So these two are like terms because they have the same letter, same exponent. So what's negative 13 plus 9?
Negative 4.
Good. And the only thing we change are the coefficients. We leave the variable, which is what? And we leave the exponent. Next one, we have negative 6n plus negative 3n.
Negative 9.
Good. That's it. A lot of people want to try to factor it right here. You don't have to factor it. Just combine like terms. Sometimes. Alright, we'll skip down to number 3. On to subtraction. So what did I say about subtraction? Change the signs of what? Yes. So change this to a plus. Change this to a plus. Change this to a what?
Minus.
And change this to a minus. Now it's just like adding, combining like terms. Okay. What term would come first?
The m or the p.
The m squared. Good. Because m comes first in the alphabet. That's what comes first. So does 5m squared have any friends? What? So together? 8m squared. Good. Mark those out. What would go next?
Yeah, p squared. It has an exponent.
Highest exponent. Good. P squared. So we have negative 6p squared and p squared. Actually negative p squared. So what will that make?
Negative 7p squared.
Good. Alright, last two friends. We got negative 2mp, negative 5mp.
Negative 7p.
That's it. Easy enough. Do number 2 on your own. I'll put a star by the ones you're going to do on your own. Number 2 to start with. To combine it with? Or when it takes out? Yeah. Alright, somebody tell me the first term they got for your answer. Everybody agree? Mm-hmm. Alright, and just to show where we got that from, this is subtraction, so what do we have to do? Change this sign, change this sign, change this sign, change this sign. So it'd be 8x squared minus 4x squared, that's why it's 4x squared. Does everybody see that? Alright, what's the next term?
Negative 8x.
Negative 8x, good. Don't forget because it's negative 3x and a negative 5x. Negative 8x. Last term?
Bring the 3 down.
But is it negative or positive?
Positive.
Yes. Questions? How many got that one? Okay. Next one we're going to do is number 4 together. So tell me the first thing we have to do here.
Multiply.
Distribute.
No.
Good. So here, keep going. Good. Go ahead.
You know how you say you switch the sign in the middle?
That's if we're subtracting. This one we're multiplying.
Oh, I was just going to say, if, like, you know you have that 4 right there in the middle?
Yep.
If it was negative, would you still switch before you distribute?
No, you wouldn't have to on that one because when you distribute, one of the negatives might go away.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Okay. Next. Plus. Very good. Which two do I combine first? Like, what needs to come first? So we'd have 60W plus. Good. Questions? Cool. I want you to try 5 on your own.
Why is your 3 positive
On
number 2?
number 3? Why is there what now?
No, number 2.
Number 2. Why is
Why
there
is there a positive
right here?
in the answer?
Positive. When you change the signs, you have to change all the signs of the second one. This was a negative 3, so I made it plus 3. With subtraction, you change all the signs.
Before you switch the size of the thing because it goes not fit.
Yes. Alright, you're doing number 5. Question, what do we do with the exponents? Add them. Good. Summer, what's my first term? Everybody agree? Alright, Aaron, what's my second term?
6A cubed or 6A cubed WT.
Everybody agree? Very good. So when you multiply, add the exponents. Questions about that? Then do 6, 7, and 8. Next 3 on your own. 6, 7, 8. Alright, compare your answers. Don't be shy. I know y'all ain't shy.
At the end of that, instead of 81, I got 72. It's 9, 6, 7, 8. It's 9 times 8. For 7, I got 5A minus 4A, and W to the minus 15, 8 to the 6, W to the 5th, plus 45, A to the 3rd, Y to the
Alright, bring it in. Cody, I'll start with you. I just want you to tell me just the first number. Not the whole term, just first number here. For number 6.
27.
Alright, now Ashton, tell me the R to the what power?
R to the 5th.
Good. Gracie, tell me what the Y would be? 9. Alright, Cordell, next term.
Minus 18.
That's all. Lucas, R to the what power?
R to the 7.
Good. Dalton? Y to the what power? 4 and a 2. Good. Alright, Julian, next term.
72.
Very good. Daniel?
R14.
Good. Elena? Somebody help her out. Good. Even though there's not a Y right here, we just bring this one down right here. Questions about that? Cool. Alright, next one. So starting with Ariana. Tell me first term. Good. Next. Brayden. A to the what power?
4.
Good. W to the what power?
6. 9.
I was talking to Summer.
Sorry.
Next, Summer. Good. Next. Good. Starting with Aaron. W to what power? Next. 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 Very good. Any questions? Alright, last one. Tell me the first term. Where we leave off of? Molly, go ahead.
2x cubed.
Good. Kaylee? Darrell?
Plus A squared.
Next, Angel? Yes, very good. Plus what? Taylor?
1.
Good. Okay, does everybody know where this came from? The x squared plus 2x plus 1? No? Okay, how many had x squared plus 1? Don't lie. Okay, how did they get this? This is correct. You have to do what? You have to full it out. Because this is the same thing as x plus 1 times what? X plus 1. Everybody see that? Something squared is something times itself. Okay, and that's what we're about to get into. So the first terms will give me what? Good. Outer? No, outer terms? Plus what? Plus? Good. That's how we get to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Everybody see that? Alright, so somebody tell me final answer.
X to the 3rd.
2x to the 3rd.
Minus 2x to the 2nd.
Minus x squared. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good. Questions? Alright, notice how when I'm going around the room, everybody's a little slow answering me. Why is that? Exactly. And why is that? Why aren't they paying attention? Come on. Phone. Put them up. Put them under your desk. Unless you want me to take them up like you're a child. Because obviously we can't have the responsibility of having a phone on our desk and paying attention in class at the same time. So put them under your desk. And please let me catch you on your cell phone the rest of the class. I will take it and take it all weekend. I want to treat y'all like young adults because in college you're going to have the option of having your cell phone or taking notes. You know that, right? You're going to have the option. And guess what happens in college when you stay on your phone? You fail. And they don't care. They'll take your money just like that. Keep it up. Put it up. Pay attention. So you can get to college. Okay? I don't want to do this, but I have to because I have people staying on their phones and then they'll ask me for help. And what I want to say is, you should have been paying attention instead of being on your phone. Now, I know some of y'all are working ahead. That's fine. But some of y'all are just being disrespectful and being on your phones and not making good choices. So this is what we have to do. You're doing 9, 10 on your own. we have to do what on both of these? Alright, first. Good. I saw a lot of people wrote 2v to the 4th. What do you do with the coefficients when you multiply these? No. Coefficients are what? You don't know what a coefficient is? Number where? In front. Good. So 1 times 1 is 1. You do what with the exponents? Add. Good. Alright, outer.
Plus 4v to the second.
Inside.
Minus 6v to the second.
Last.
Minus 24.
Am I done here?
No.
No. It'd be v to the 4th.
Minus 2v to the second. Minus 24.
Good. Questions? Can't remember where I left off. Taylor. First term here. Good. Anaya? Good. Carolina? And Emily? Almost. See, what you did here was added them. 9y plus negative y. We got to multiply. What'd you say? Negative 9y. Good. You just add the exponents 1 and 1, keep the coefficient. Alright, can I leave it like this?
No.
What's my final answer?
14a squared plus 11ay minus 9y squared.
11ay?
No. The square should come first, shouldn't it?
Yes. Thanks for reminding me. A squared should come first, then what?
Minus 9y
And then,
plus 11ay.
yes, very good. Now on your test next week, if you write it out of order, I'm not going to count off to like 1 point, okay? Because I know it's kind of hard to remember that, but try to remember exponents first, then letters. Alright, only other one, y'all are good with folding, right? Okay, then move to number 15. 15. And this will be our last one. Alright. Are we going to fold on this one?
Yeah.
No. Why can't we fold on this one? Go ahead. Yeah, it's more than 4. And Braden said something about, but it's still distributing. That's correct. What do we distribute? The x to everything first. Then the y. Let's do the x first. Be x to the what power? Minus. Good. Go ahead. Good. Make sure you put the x in front of the y. Alright, now the y to everything. Let me write it like this. First term. X squared y. Go ahead. Stay with me.
Minus 3x.
Good. Last term. Perfect. Alright. First term that we need to write first is what?
The 2y. No, the x.
Look for the highest exponent.
X cubed.
X cubed. And then the next highest exponent?
2y.
Yes, we have another cubed. So plus 2y cubed. Alright, now it gets a little tricky. We're looking for exponents of 2, but all of these haven't. So what comes first? X squared, the one with x squareds. So that's this one. I'm going to put them in boxes, and this one. And I can combine these, correct?
Negative 2x squared y.
Good. You just combine the coefficients. My last term?
Negative 1x plus 2.
Very good. Everybody see how we got those numbers? You will have one that's like this on your test where you have to like distribute, then distribute again. But we'll stop there and work more on this Monday. What I want you to do now, yeah, I'm going to pass out the test in a second, is, I hate to say this after I just went off on y'all, get out your phones. And